Ever felt like you weren't quite prepared for something that could happen in terms of an assault type situation? Number one thing is get away. Always be aware of your surroundings. And then really you kind of have four options. You could run away, manage the distance, go back into a building, get back to your car. You could spray if you have pepper spray, that's just a tool. You could go to hand-to-hand combat if you have the skills, or you could go to a firearm. So we teach all that and more. So there's 8 different curriculums at Defend Fit, so come see us. Let's look at some arm wrestlings, hands-on here, where I actually take the back. And so if there's hands-on here, I could open it up like this. Maybe I strike, depends on how aggressive it was. I could go to an arm pass, I'm gonna pass here, and I could go to a clinch, and now we could work our way on this pass from outside to inside. So I could switch here, go to break the arm, I could hit to the spine, or I could go to a clinch. If I pull too aggressively and he was unexpected and I put him off balance, I may switch sides and hit. This is a strike to the carotid artery. This is an arm bar. And then I could end up getting the trachea and hitting and slamming him to the ground for a takedown. And then you could go down and wrap him up, or you could strike with the foot, strike, or you could just get away and go to a firearm or go to pepper spray. You could just get away. So there's a combination of things that are happening here, and the idea is to help you make the right decision at the right time in the right way. Come see us at Defend Fit.